Welcome to week 6 of the SEED2SEED CSA, and let's go ahead and see what we have in our CSA bags this week. We'll start with our eggs. You guys are very familiar with our eggs at this point. Then we also have harvested some fresh garlic. You guys have had that once before. We have some of our spring onions again. This week we have some red potatoes. And we've mixed in some red onions. This week in our mason jar we have an edible flower and herb mix. So we have kale flower, marigolds, and a couple of different varieties of basil. We have a purple basil, we have a Thai basil, and a Genovese basil. Also new this week is a baby turnip bunch. I'll be giving you some recipes for that. We have our lettuce blend, which this week has tatsoi, a couple different varieties of our kale. We have romaine lettuce, and we also have beet greens in there this week. And then last but not least, we do have some more of our baby carrots. We'll either have those in a bunch or we'll have them already cut. So that's going to be everything in your CSA this week, and we hope you enjoy.